Hey there, kids. This problem says estimate the product. Do you know what a product is? Right. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Now, this one says 5 times 5,503. That seems like a complicated problem, but they're allowing you to estimate it. So you just have to choose something that is close to this number. Now, you could either estimate using by changing this number, or you could change this number. Either one is fine. These are both called factors, aren't they? Okay. So I could either change this factor or that factor in order to make my life easier for me. Now, over here, I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to do one over here. And it's a complicated problem also. It says 7 times 88,679. Now, whenever it says estimate, you can do it however you want. If it says to round something, you have to do it exactly. There's certain rules to rounding, but there's not certain rules to estimating. You just have to be close to the real answer. Okay. Now, for me, I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you could do it. Some are better than others. I'm going to tell you something, is that the more you change the numbers, the less accurate your product is going to be. Okay. Now, in this case right here, I'm going to do something called front end rounding. Okay. And it says this, it says 7 times 88,679. I'm going to look at the front end of this number, these two digits right here. And I'm going to try to pick something that is close to these two that's going to be easy for me to multiply. Well, 88 is really close to 90, isn't it? Okay. Oh, I don't know why this keeps happening. Okay. I've got a hexagon for a 0. Okay, fine. 90,000. And I'm going to make all these zeros over here also. Okay. So that I changed the 88,679 to 90,000. And I'm going to multiply that by 7. Okay. Well, this is kind of easy because I just need to go 7 times 9. What is 7 times 9? Right, that's 63. And then I had 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. So I could put on 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Okay, and I get 630,000. Now, there are other ways that you could do it. Okay, that was probably the most accurate way that you could do it. Um, I wouldn't recommend the next way I'm going to show you, but you could have done it this way, I suppose, is you could have changed the first number, okay, instead of the second number, and you could have called this like a 10, okay? Call that 7 a 10, and we'll call this like 88,000, okay? All right, well, 10 times 88 is 880, okay? And then we have 3 more zeros on the end, so 1, 2, 3. So it could have been like 880,000. I don't like this way of doing it. It takes you too far away from the real answer. I think the first way we did it was better. Okay, so you could either change this number or you could change this number, but you want to choose something that is easy for you to multiply together to make your life easy because we're just estimating the answer, okay? All right, well, there you go, kids. Go ahead and give that a try. If you have any questions, come and see us. We will help you. Bye-bye.